looking at a JPF file and your default image viewer won't cooperate. This is an advanced image format with capabilities beyond standard JPEG. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view, edit, and convert these JPEG 2000 images. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware, I've kept the most effective JPF file solution for the tough cases near the end. JPF files are raster image files stored in the JPEG 2000 Part 2 format, offering superior compression and image quality compared to standard JPEG. They support lossless and lossy compression, high bit depths, alpha channel transparency, and region of interest coding for medical imaging and archival photography. JPEG 2000 JPF files use wavelet-based compression with the JP2 codestream format, supporting multiple resolution levels, tile-based decoding, up to 16384 components per image and color spaces, including sRGB CMYK and CIE Lab. The format includes XML metadata boxes and ICC color profile embedding. Guaranteed access to JPF files is typically achieved using Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows provides only a lightweight viewer, so full editing belongs in photo editing programs. To force file access, right-click your JPF file and select Open With. If Adobe Photoshop is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If your JPF file is not opening yet, that is normal. The reason is usually simple, involving one of three common issues. Here is a quick breakdown of what they are and how to check them. First, viewing JPF images. Open the JPF file in Irfan View with the JPEG 2000 plugin installed, or use XNView MP, which natively supports JPEG 2000 formats. Both applications render the image with full color fidelity and allow zooming, panning, and basic image inspection. Adobe Photoshop also opens JPF files directly. Next, editing in Photoshop. Open the JPF file in Adobe Photoshop, which provides full JPEG 2000 support for editing. Apply adjustments, layers, filters, and transformations as with any raster image. Photoshop preserves the high bit depth and color accuracy of the JPEG 2000 format during editing operations. Finally, converting to standard formats. Convert the JPF file to JPEG PNG or TIFF using XNView MP or Irfan View with batch conversion. In XNView, select the file and use Tools, then Batch Convert to choose the output format and quality settings. This ensures broad compatibility with applications that do not support JPEG 2000 natively. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.